Hello everyone, my name is Akash and you are watching Technology the Killer channel. So guys, in today's video series I am just going to let you know about that how we can remove duplicate data from our Google Sheet. So before starting this guys, if you are new in my channel and still you have not subscribed it, so first of all subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from my YouTube channel. So let's begin now. So I'm just going on the Google Sheet first of all. Then let's check that suppose you have opened the Google Sheet and there's a multiple names like my name is Akash and I'm just typing again Akash. Then suppose that someone like Jam and Jimmy, or again I'm typing Jimmy, right? So if I wanted to remove duplicate data from the this line, so I will select this line and will go to the our data and we'll click here and we can see that there is the options of the data validations and data cleanup. So we'll select data cleanup and there's the option for the remove duplicates. So you will just see that here all the duplicates data has been deleted. So guys, how was the video? If you liked this video, so please thumbs up and do your valuable comment and share with your friends. Thank you.